favorite part of fourth grade challenge was the exercising.
My favorite part of fourth grade challenge is fun.
How we get to exercise and have fun with each other.
It's learning about the Fit-tastics.
We sit down and have the talks.
Meeting everybody.
It was the part where we looked at the pig's lungs.
It was exercise.
Which was when we carried a 10-pound ball across a black line and then to the other black line. And it was super fun and awesome.
Probably the yoga.
My favorite part of fourth grade challenge was reading nutrition labels.
Fourth grade challenge is helpful.
It's important to read nutrition labels because you might not know what's in them.
You need to know what's healthy and what's not.
If it's like a really sugary thing and you don't read the nutrition label, then you won't, that's really unhealthy for you.
You need to keep the things that you don't need in your body, and you need to limit them.
And if it's too many calories, you could be like, oh, I think I'll just wait to have that for maybe Friday.
Because I wanted to know if it was healthy for me or not.
To see how many nutrients you get and how bad it is for you.
Because the facts let me know about what I need to know to stay healthy.
So that you get more of what you need and less of what you don't need, like sugars.
Fourth grade challenge is rad.
My second favorite part was the exercise.
My second favorite part is probably when we get the prizes, when we get at least 40 or over 40 points, and then we get a prize.
My second favorite part was running up and down with a 10-pound weight.
Read the nutrition labels.
Learning about not smoking.
The fun activities that they provided.
When we went on the skating rink trip.
Whenever we talk about what's inside of foods.
The bad stuff in cigarettes and what happens to your lungs.
We get to do the fun activities.
My second favorite part of fourth grade challenge was shake and break.
Fourth grade challenge is exciting.
My favorite type of exercise is jumping jacks because it's easy.
I always like to run because I like to race my brothers.
My favorite type of exercise is bear crawl. It can make your legs strong and your arms.
Toe touches because it stretches out your back.
Probably running because it's a good exercise and you can have fun with it.
Bear crawl.
Play football because it is really fun.
Jump roping because it really challenges me.
Is running. Because me and my sister could have races.
To me, I think that it gets your blood flowing good.
I have a lot of favorite types of exercise, but I really like basketball.
Push-ups because they're challenging.
I like to run because it gets all the energy out of me.
Fourth grade challenge is cool.
It's important to exercise every day so that your muscles and bones are strong. You need to get your blood pumping so you can have a healthy start for tomorrow.
When you exercise, you burn off the calories.
Because you could get lazy and your eyes will get tired from watching TV or on a computer screen. It gets you fit.
It gives you the strength and energy and health that you need to live your life longer.
You need to burn off calories.
So you won't get lazy and obese.
To keep your heart healthy and to keep your body in shape.
Fourth grade challenge is educational.
Number one Fit-tastic is 1 hour of exercise.
Number one Fit-tastic is 1 hour of exercise.
1 hour or more of exercise.
Number 2 is 2 hours or less of screen time.
2 hours or less of screen time.
2 hours of screen time. Number 3 is 3 servings of milk, dairy, or calcium.
3 servings or glasses of milk or calcium, so that could be yogurt or milk.
3 servings or more of dairy and calcium. Number 4 Fit-tastic, drink 4 or more glasses of water.
4 is 4 servings of water.
4 glasses of water.
Number 5 Fit-tastic is 5 or more servings of fruits and vegetables.
5 Fit-tastic is 5 servings of fruits and vegetables.
5 or more fruits and vegetables.
Fourth grade challenge is helpful.
Fourth grade challenge is fantastic.
If somebody asked me to smoke, I would say that I don't.
I would say no because smoking is really, really bad for you and could get you seriously sick.
I would try to convince them not to smoke either because it can affect you highly in the future.
I would say no thanks and walk away. I'd say no.
No way.
As smoking is bad for your lungs and your heart.
It's bad for you.
I would say no if someone asked me to smoke.
Fourth grade challenge is awesome. It's important to keep your body healthy so that you can do the things you want when you're older.
It's important to keep my body healthy so that I do not get obese. You want to live a long life.
Be healthy with everybody and have like a healthy family. So yeah, I think your family should also be healthy.
Then you'll be able to live a longer life.
Because if I don't keep my body healthy, it'll be harder to live when I'm older.
Besides, if you just don't care, you won't live a long life.
So your teeth don't rot out and you make sure your bones are strong.
If I don't, things could happen. Bad things could happen.
Fourth grade challenge is exciting!
You teach fourth grade challenge so we know about our body and how to stay healthy.
And convince them not to eat as much junk food as they would.
So we can not get into bad habits.
So kids know early about their body.
Kids that are like third grade and under, once you get to fourth grade, you should do fourth grade challenge because it teaches you lessons about exercise and life.
Fourth grade challenge is inspirational. Fourth grade challenge is great!